Hello dear students, I'm Ajay Karmarkar. Before watching this video, please be seated with copy pen. If you find somewhere important, pause the video, note it and proceed further. Although you have facing any problem or difficulties, please write in comment box. I will definitely solve your problem. And along with, please like, share and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you. Starts falling freely from a height edge from a point on the inclined plane, forming an angle alpha with the horizontal as shown in the figure. After collision with the inclined, it rebound elastically off the plane. Then it again strikes the inclined edge. Here we have given four options. It is multiple choice question. So first option is A, t equal to root 8h by g after it strikes the inclined at A. Option B, t equal to root 2h by g after it strikes the inclined at A. Option C, a distance 4h sin alpha from A along the incline. And last D option, a distance 8h sin alpha from A along the incline. Now first of all, we have to understand what the question says. Here we have given an inclined plane making angle alpha with the horizontal and a ball striking on this inclined plane, and this collision is perfect elastic. What does it mean? Elastic collision and inelastic collision. Elastic collision means when kinetic energy and momentum both are conserved. And only in inelastic collision there is only momentum is conserved, but kinetic energy is not conserved. So here we have given that this collision is perfect elastic. It means its velocity is not changed. So here this ball is striking on this inclined plane and it's again rebound and goes to upside and down. So it is projectile. Here we have to find out that distance and time of flight, everything. So as we know that this is alpha, this is 90 degree, this is 90 minus alpha, and here is the alpha. Okay, so here this velocity, let us consider initial velocity v naught. Okay, here as we know that then this ball is falling down, its initial velocity is 0, and after striking, before striking, its velocity is v naught. Then we know that v square, v naught square, u square equal to 2. Here we have using that is g, and height is h from h height. Okay, initial velocity is 0, so v naught square equal to 2gh, then v naught equal to root 2gh. Okay, it is the first equation. Clear? Now after striking and again it goes to upside, here let us consider it is v naught. Then we have to divide it, this velocity, into components. That is v naught sine alpha along the x-axis. We have considered for some time this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, according to the inclined plane, not that it is a horizontal. Okay, it is very important fact. And here v naught cos alpha. Here we have to divide, and again we have to also divide it acceleration due to gravity. Here g, it is alpha, g cos alpha. Here g sine alpha. So here we have divided the velocity into components and acceleration due to gravity also divided into components. Now we have to find out time of flight. As we know that what is time of flight? When any object which is in air, that total time when any object, any particle which is in air. So how we can get the time of flight? When y equal to u or v by and time of flight, that is t plus 1 by 2 ay and t square. But in this case, we have to how can calculate the time of flight? Because landing and takeoff that time. So therefore y is 0. Here y is 0. And what is vy? Here this is vy. And the component is v naught cos alpha. It is t here plus 1 by 2 ay. What is ay? This component in this direction, that is g cos alpha and t square. But it is in opposite direction, so therefore we have taken negative. Okay, because g cos alpha in opposite direction minus g cos alpha. Then v naught cos alpha t negative minus 1 by 2 g cos alpha t square. 1t cancel out, minus minus cancel out. Then time of flight t equal to 2v naught and upon g. 2v naught upon g. Cos alpha and cos alpha also cancel out. So here we get time of flight t equal to 2v naught upon g. Now substitute the value of v naught. What is the value of v naught? That is 2gh. And this 2 put inside, now it become 4, 4 to the 8, gh upon g square, and g and this g cancel out, then it can be written as 8h upon g. So here we get time of flight 8h upon g. So here first option is correct. Now for finding the range r equal to, here we have taken the x component. So x we have considered this inclined plane and this is y-axis. Okay, so here we have required only x-axis. R equal to vxt plus 1 by 2 ax t square. You can see that here the x-axis means g sine alpha and velocity is v sine alpha. So therefore substitute this value. What is vx? V naught sine alpha. And what is time of flight? That is 2v naught upon g. So here substitute 2v naught upon g plus 1 by 2. What is ax? That is g sine alpha. G sine alpha. And again 2v naught upon g whole square. Now substitute v naught we have already find out. That is r square 2 v square sine alpha upon g 1 by 2 g sine alpha. 2 square means 4 v naught square upon g square. We know that already v naught equal to root 2gh. So here square and root, that is cancel out, 2gh sine alpha upon g plus 1 by 2. Here 1g cancel out, sine alpha and 4 again 2gh upon g. So 2 to the 4. R equal to 2 to the 4, g cancel out, h sine alpha plus here 2 to the 4, here h, and this g and this g cancel out, and again sine alpha. So R equal to 8h sine alpha. It is the range. So here we can see that option D, the distance 8h sine alpha from A along the incline. So D option is also correct. I hope so you understood this question. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Surely credit for your success will go to your hard work. If my videos are beneficial for you, then I will consider myself lucky. Then I remind you again, if you like my videos, then please like, share and subscribe. That can reach more and more students. Once again, thanks and take care. Bye bye.